Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. This is Beam Basics and Beyond. Myself Amrit, electrical beam engineer and designer. So in today's video, we are going to learn about families. We are going to explore families today. In our previous video, we have completed some major topics. We have covered some major topics regarding model. But in today's video, we are going to explore families. And for your more, information, we will cover Revit parametric family because the parametric families are more important. So by learning parametric families, we can cover both, like what is families and how we can create parametric families also. So as you can see, we are in the Revit starting page, and here you can choose uh, whether you want to open an existing family or want to create a family from scratch. So in our case, we obviously going to create a family from scratch. So just click new and then choose uh, you know template. These all are family templates you can choose. So, but for time being and for general purpose, I'm going with metric generic model. Then click open. So, as you can see, we are in the Revit family environment. And these two are, you can say access lines, referring lines that we will uh, create the main family by referring these two access lines. And here are some bunch of options to create, to manage, to insert, and all sorts of things you will need to create a family. We will explore uh, in few times. So one more thing, in today's video, it maybe took a little bit longer to end the video because I am going to teach you the exact purpose of each tool used in Revit family and parametric family. And my focus will be towards make you understand the main functioning of the tools, uh, ना कि कोई बहुत बड़ा कोई फैमिली बनाता हूँ. So the focus will be towards only on the function of the tools कि क्या कैसे काम करते हैं इसमें. To create a family, first we can create the families from reference level. Right now we are in the reference level, or else you can create in the elevations view. So these are the elevations view over here. You can see left, right, just like model. And this is the reference level, or you can say this is the similar to the plan view of Revit model interface. So we will make a parametric family for time being in elevation view, for example, in front view. To create a family, first we need to set some bunch of reference plane. By creating reference plane, we have the power to make the family parametric, not only parametric, but also the family making process will be very much easier. समझाता हूँ कैसे. First, we will, for time being, we will create uh, a parametric pipe, you can say. In today's video, we will create a parametric pipe. So maybe some of you guys don't have the idea what parametric family is. Parametric family is a type of specialized family that we can load into the project. After load into the project, we can change the dimensions. We can change the value. We can change the thickness, length, width, everything. We can change in model that is called Revit parametric families. Kind of it will be a customized family that we can customize in the live project. So I am going to create a special type of a normal pipe that we can change the, value, change the length of the pipe. So for creating this, first I need to go to the reference level and go to the create and then choose extrusion, because the pipe, of course, the pipe will be an extrude block kind of, you know. So I am choosing extrusion. And also here are a bunch of some other options also, blend, revolve, sweep, sweep blend. I think all of you are familiar with this, and if you are not familiar with this, then just um drop some comments and then I will cover each function of these options. So for time being, I am proceeding with extrusion. Then from here you can choose the shape. Of course, the pipe will be comes with round shape. I'm choosing the round shape and make giving a value of 25 diameter for say, sorry, 25 radius for say, 25. Element is too small on screen. Okay, so a little bit larger, I guess. I should. mm, 50. Okay, 50 will be fine. So this is a round shape, the core structure of the pipe of 50 radius. You can check the structure from any kind of elevation from here. So I'm checking the shape from left elevation right now. As you can see, it's fine. We can drag it and we can spread it. So this is not our purpose. Our purpose is meant to create the pipe. So this is a solid structure, you can see. This is a, if I see the 3D, this is a solid structure, but pipe comes with a hollow. There will be a void inside it. So how we can create it? Same, we will go to the create and then you will find a void forms option. If you drag down this option, you will find that void extrusion, void blend, all of these similar options you will be able to see in void form. So I'm clicking with void extrusion and then similar to the circle option. Then create a hollow space. So I'm creating a hollow space of, for say, 40 radius and then click done. After clicking done, you can go to the reference level. Sorry, you can go to the any of the elevations level, elevation view, and you will be able to see the exact pipe. Or else you can go to the 3D also, and here you can see this is our pipe created perfectly. But this is done. But now we need to create the exact the parametric type, the parametric parameter we need to create. So how you can create it? For that, we first need to create a reference plane. By clicking RP on the keyboard, you will be able to turn on the reference plane option. Or else, if it's not working in your PC, you can check by typing KS on Revit to assign your desired keyboard shortcut. So in my case, it's already here. So I have just written RP on my keyboard, and this is the reference plane option turn on. So create a reference plane. Then you can see, you can rename it as per your uh, desired need. But in my case, we will skip that thing and just make sure you turn this lock, this both options. Lock these two, you know, uh, uh, structure with this Revit uh, uh, reference plane. Also, make sure this is locked from downside also here and the inside hollow here. So we have locked our pipe with this reference plane from both sides. Now we will create the actual parameter. So first, to create actual parameter, we need to dimensioning it by clicking DI, activate the dimension mode, and then uh, give the dimension. As you can see, I've just given the dimension. Then after giving the dimension, click the dimension, and then under this, modify dimension, under this, beside this label option, you will find this little icon, create parameter. So I click this create parameter. So what I have just done, click the dimension, then go to this option, create parameter, and then click it. This is the parameter option where you can able to create family parameters and shared parameters. Shared parameters is a different thing we will cover in upcoming videos, but for time being, we are proceeding with family parameter that we are going to create. So name the parameter you want to see in your model. So for time being, I am giving PIPE, pipe height. That's all. So I don't know whether the height spelling is correct or not. ये बहुत बार गलती होता है मेरे से. I'm very confused regarding height spell. GIGST. I hope this is correct. Let me know in the comments. And then make sure you choose its instance. And I have already covered what type and what is instance. And instance is a special parameter, and the parameter will be only visible in a Revit properties palette. Okay, and for type, you need to go inside the edit type option, and then you need to change the value from there. But make sure you remember that changing a type parameter will reflect it for all the same type of families in the model. So we don't want that. That's why we only want to change the value for our selected family type. So that's why I am proceeding with instance. I am making the family parameter in under the instance option, and then discipline will be common, data type will be by default it will came, dimension, and we are all set to go. Then click OK. As you can see, after making the parameter of this dimension, it's already written over, already written over here. Pipe height is equal to 822. Now how you can check whether your family is made correctly or not? Go to this option, family types, this option, this little bit bluish, squarish option, and then click OK. And then you will be able to see every parameter you will create, you will be able to see and check from here. So we have created just one parameter. You're able to see that under the dimension option, pipe height is here. This is the same parameter we just created. So change the value. We will be able, we want to check our parameter whether it's working or not. So I'm giving a value of 2000, and then click apply. Moving any changes you will able to see, then click apply. So just see it's working perfectly. 1.1500, 1.5 meter, apply. So it's working fine. 10,000. So as you can see, our parameter is perfectly working. So I'm changing it again to 1500. Then click apply. Okay. So now you have shown that the parametric family is successfully created. Now you can load this into your project, and I will also show you that how it will look in a live project. So for time being, I have just opened a typical family or typical model over here, a empty model, and I'm going to load it into the family. Load into project and place it over here. So we are not able to select the pipe because it's in the underlay option. under this Revit toggle options in the right bottom corner, you will be able to turn off. You need to turn off the, sorry, underlay elements, turn off, and then you will be able to click. You will be able to select the model category. Then BX means 3D. So as you can see, we need to change the discipline also, coordination. So this is our pipe. Now, if you select the pipe, if you select the family, now you will be able to see that under the dimension option in the properties palette, the same parameter is reflecting as we just created, the same one. So change it also from, you can change it from here also, 500 for example, and then click apply. So as you can see, it's perfectly working in the model also. So by following this process, you will be able to make the parametric family. My main agenda was is to what is parametric family and how you can create the parametric family. So I think I have able to clear the your concept regarding Revit parametric family. So make sure you subscribe the channel, and if you have any kind of doubts, you can comment. You can go to my LinkedIn and ask me from there also. Also, you can book your own mentorship slot. I am also in TopMed. So anything you want, guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.